How to register the business in your TikTok. So let's start. So firstly go into your TikTok application. From here go in your profile and click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner and go in the settings and the privacy. From here go in the privacy and here you have to make sure that your account is not private, and if it is private then you have to switch it to public. So once you do that you have to go back. From here you have to go in the account and here is the option to switch to business account. Click on it. Now from here is the interface to switch to your business account. You have to click on the next and here you have to choose a category and after that click on the next, and here you can add the email or you can also skip that, maybe later, and you are all set. And after that you have to go back and here you have to refresh your page just like this, and again click on these three horizontal lines, and as you can see that here is the option of the business suite. You have to tap on it. Now from here you can try a registered business account. For that you have to click on the register now and here you have to read the terms and the privacy or the service, and after that you have to add your business name, country, address, province, city, zip or postal code, phone number and business license ID, and here you have to add all of your information. So once you add it you have to save your information and you are able to register your business account in your TikTok application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.